How to draw histogram and frequency polygon for a given question in the same graph. Like this is a question, the class interval and the frequency is mentioned. So first we need to add two more class interval, one at the beginning and one at the end. As per the given class size, as you can see the class size is 10. So you will construct a frequency distribution table when you have to add two more class interval. So let's quickly prepare the frequency distribution table. As the first one is your class interval. In this class interval column, children, you need to add one extra as per the same size 20, 30 and one at the last 100 to 110. So these two we need to add, and the frequency of these two extra we will take 0, 0 and 0, and class mark is the central number, the middle number from these two numbers. So 20 to 30, the class mark will be 25. Similarly, for the rest class interval, we will write down the class mark. So it is 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, and for the last one it will be 105. Now frequency is already mentioned in the table. The first one and the last one we will put 0, and the rest frequency is given in your question. So it is 3, 6, 25, 65, 50, 28 and 14. Now while constructing the frequency distribution and bar graph, you need to understand that the class mark and the frequency, these are the 2 points that we will take. Like the first point we will take 25 and 0, where 25 will be on x-axis because always class interval we represent on the x-axis, and 35 and 3 is the second point. 0 frequency we will represent at the y-axis. So first we need to understand that we will represent the class interval on the x-axis, this one, and then frequency on the y-axis. Now children, as per the frequency polygon, we will show one extra point at the beginning of the x-axis and one at the end of the x-axis, like 20 to 30. In the question it is from 30 to 40, and the last one extra is 100 to 110. Okay, now to construct the histogram first, we need to understand how to construct the histogram. So 30 to 40 class interval and the required frequency is 3. Okay, now 30 to 40, suppose this is the 3, approximately near to 5. So this first bar is completed. The next class interval is 40 to 50. For 40 to 50, the frequency is mentioned 6. So 6 will be near to 5. So we will move just upward. Now it is 6. 40 to 50, the frequency is 6. For the next one, the frequency is 25. So 25, we will understand 25 is just between 20 to 30. So we will take between 20 to 30 and construct the next class interval, that is 50 to 60. Just a minute. Yes, this one is the 25 frequency for the class interval 50 to 60. Now for the next one, 60 to 70, the class interval is 65. So we will go till 65 and we construct the histogram for the 60-70 class interval. The next class interval, the frequency is 50. So we will come down. Now this is 70 to 80. Similarly, the next one, 80 to 90 is 28. 28 will near to 30. And the last one is 14. That will be near to 50. So our histogram will complete in this way. The last one is near to 15. 14 number we have to take. Okay, yes, done. So now histogram completed. Now what you need to do, you need to just point out the central points of these rectangular bars of the histogram. The middle point, okay. These all middle points, you need to make a dot with your pencil, and for the starting and at the end, you have to take the point, the class mark, and the frequency is already 0. The 20 to 30, the class mark is 25 and 25 is on x-axis. To join this point, and at the last also 105. Now take your pencil, with free hand only you need to join with all these points and your frequency polygon is ready. I hope you people understand. Thank you for watching.